Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta.
In this video, we will learn how you can use the password cracking tool John and John the Ripper to crack password hashes. So click on password attacks and click on John. First of all, let's clear it and type the man space John. Now what is John? John is a tool to find weak passwords of your users. What is the command? Type John space the password file name, password files. What is the description? This is the description. This manual page documents briefly the John command. Yes, it will. This manual page was written for the Debian Linux distribution because the original program does not have a manual page. Okay, John, better known as John the Ripper, it is also called John the Ripper, JTR, is a tool to find weak passwords of users in the server. John can use a dictionary or some search pattern as well as a password file to check for passwords. John supports different cracking modes and understands many ciphertext formats like several DES variants, MD5, Blowfish. These all are encryption algorithms. It can also be used to extract AFS in Windows anti-passwords. That's fine. So how you can use John? To see the cracked password, you have to type these commands: John space -show space the file name in which the hash is there. To continue an interrupted session, you can use John space -restore. Or now you may notice that many accounts have disabled shell. Make note these. Assume the shell is called /etc/expire. So you can type John space -show space -shells and /etc/password file. There are so many options are available in John. You can type man space John in the terminal and use them one by one. I will tell you in practicals the main commands. Right. So let's start. In this video, we will crack the password of the shadow file inside Kali Linux. If you don't know what is shadow file is a password file in Kali Linux which stores Linux login username and passwords. It uses SHA algorithm to encrypt the passwords in shadow file. In Windows, it is SAM file. In Linux, it is a shadow file. So first of all, where is shadow file located? Let's find out. So open up terminal and type locate shadow. Locate command is used to find the location of the file. Here you can see that it is located that there is a shadow file inside a directory. Let's find out where it is. So it is in the /etc/shadow file. So let's proceed to these. First of all, let's clear it. So I'm going into etc folder. So cd space /etc. Right, I'm inside the etc folder. Now what is in the folder? You have to find it by typing ls command, list command. Now you can see these all files are available in the /etc folder. Now I have to find the shadow file where it is. If you don't find, then it's okay because we know that there is a shadow file inside here. Now here it is. Here it is. This one. Here you can see this is the shadow file in which username and passwords have been used. So let's open up the shadow file by using vim space shadow. Here you can see these are the usernames which are in plain text, like root is my username and this is the password of my and it has been hashed, and the algorithm it has used is SHA algorithm used, right? So we have to crack this password of the system because it is encrypted or in a hash form, so we have to decrypt it to find out the real password of my Kali Linux operating system. Fine, so let's find out by using our tool John the Ripper. So let's open up the tool. First of all, click on applications, click on the password attacks and go to John. Here you can see it has shown some help commands for John, but we know what we are going to, so let's clear it. Now the command is, first of all, you should know where is the file located. So I know that file is located in vim space /etc /shadow, right? This is the file which I want to decrypt it. And if you don't know that how you can use these, then I'm gonna tell you that how you can use John the Ripper to find out the decrypted hashes or decrypted password here. Let's close it. So open up the terminal, type John space the password file /etc/shadow. So you can see that it has detected the hash algorithm uses in the shadow file is SHA-512 crypt, but the string is also recognized as script. Yes, so they are saying that use this option to force loading these. It is saying that one password hash is there in the file and they are using SHA-512 algorithm, right? So now that how we can find the password and username, there is a command, show command, to find out what is inside the file and what are the decrypted password in the file. So let's use that command, John space /etc/shadow and space -- show. What this command will do, this is the John the Ripper command. This is the target file which you are decrypting, and when it decrypts that, the result will show on this terminal here. I'm not gonna save anywhere. I want the result in my terminal, so that's why we are using the command John space /etc/shadow. Enter it. Now you can see here that it is saying that one password hash has been cracked, and you can see here clearly that root was our username and this second root is our decrypted password that has been decrypted by John. So this is username and password of the Kali Linux operating system. Within a second, John has decrypted the system password of my Kali Linux operating system. This is the power of John the Ripper. So the simple command is John space the target file path and -- shadow is your raw command to crack hashes of any password cracking available here.
So the
And it's this, and you have to just type John the target file path that I have done here /etc/shadow, and the final one is -- which we have used to find the passwords inside the terminal. right? When you do this, then you will crack the username and passwords of any password hashes available in the file. That's how it is a great tool to crack hashes from a file. So this is all about John the Ripper JTR to crack password hashes in Kali Linux operating system. I hope you have enjoyed the video. In next video, we will learn some more password cracking tools to crack hashes. Till then, take care.